Is your basement flooding every time rain falls? Is your street flooding? The reason this is happening is the city's sewage backup. It makes it hard to drive on our roads when it rains. It causes damage to people's basements. Take a stand by filing a complaint in your neighborhood or by contacting the mayor or the townsman. Also, you can take pictures and record your issues. This can cause roadways to collapse due to all of the backed up water. Please take a stand and come together to fix this sewage backup problem in our neighborhood. The mayor has been notified with these issues and yet does nothing to improve our water drainage systems. The alderman responds to the issues of Calumet City by saying, the city council is working with the city's engineers to explore feasibility of beginning a long-term project to tackle this issue, but there is no immediate fix for this problem.